Hey guys, Casey Screams back here. I make videos on self-care for creative people here on YouTube. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to do that if you want more videos like that. Today we are looking at how to make a hearty omelet. You're important, eating's important, having a good breakfast, super important. Let's go. All right guys, today we're talking breakfast. You may be thinking omelet, way too hard, but it's not true. It just ain't true. First thing you need optionally is a bowl, and the main ingredient for an omelet is eggs. So, perfect. This one didn't break. There we go. And then you just kind of shake them out. You have your trusty carton with you. You throw the shells back in the carton, and you just fish out all the shells. I don't see why omelets are so hard for people. Get your tactical fork, mix that up. I have a pan heating up here. It's on medium. Always cook everything on medium. The key to a good omelet is this, cooking spray. Spray the pan so it ain't sticky. Throw the eggums on there. You get your flipper. And the idea is to make the eggs flat. If it's not flat enough, just bash it a couple times. But we can't just have eggs on an omelet, right? Gotta make it good. Here I have a bell pepper, which I've frozen because I didn't know when I would actually use a bell pepper next. And the great thing is when you freeze a bell pepper, you can quickly add it to an omelet by just bashing it a couple times. You don't even need a knife. There we go. Nice. It's just like in the movies. Tear this up. This is more like a bomblet, really. Got frozen peppers all tored up. We'll set those to the side. Get these out of here. And to tell if the omelet's ready to flip or not, you just jiggle the pan. If it's wiggly like this, you see that part wiggling? That means it's not ready yet. Don't flip it. So you can do some other prep. We got cheese. Mexican style. It doesn't matter. Any kind of cheese works. It all tastes exactly the same. We're gonna add that to our omelet here in just a second. But the best thing is bacon bits. You don't need to cook your bacon yourself. You get this at the store and you have bacon and eggs and it takes like 5 seconds to make. The hardest part is opening this stinking package. And then, victory. Looking good. Jiggle test. Oh yeah, we're in good shape. I think I might have melted part of this. It's fine. So now that that's ready, I'm gonna kind of wiggle this with my spatula and make sure it's not stuck, which it shouldn't be because I used a crap ton of Pam. Put your spatula under it and you lift it up high. Here's the flip. The flipsy bunny. Boom. You didn't think I'd do it, did you?
You didn't think I'd do it, did you?
You didn't think I'd be out here, but I am out here. Now that that's a thing, we can move it over to the side. We're gonna heat up our peppers, because they're frozen after all. These peppers are optional. You don't need peppers, but I like them and I happen to have a frozen pepper, so there we go. Just kind of thaw these out a little bit. Thaw out the pepper pieces. You don't want cold peppers in your bomblet. Ooh, that's looking nice. Now I'm gonna turn off the burner and just let it keep warm. I'm gonna take my trusty cheese and put a healthy amount of cheese onto the bomblet. Just kidding, I'm gonna put a ton of cheese on the bomblet. Also gonna sprinkle with bacon. There we go. Good amount of bacon. Then we take these peppers, again, optional peppers, put those in there with the bacon. Just flomp those on there. Take this side and you flop it over. Flomp it over, like that. Then you let the cheese melt. You get the cheese all melty. Take a little peek, see if she's melty. Let's see. Oh, it's looking pretty good. Get back there. Get back there, bomblet. Back to your home. Once the bomblet's melty, it's done. You could even season it if you wanted to. Dollar store salt. Dollar store pepper. Paper plate. Because no dishes. Look at that bomblet. Bacon and eggs, kids. Breakfast of champions. If you want more amazing recipes for self-care, check out this video right here. Yeah, nice. You can cook for yourself. It's not that hard. You got this.